So, question number one, the play explores the murder of a gay named Matthew Shepard. Through this, it becomes clear that by 1998, when Shepard was murdered, not all sections of America had accepted to live peacefully with homosexuals. In so doing, it reveals the innate hate that people harbor towards the homosexuals who are often viewed as mentally ill. Question number two. One of the concerns in the play is religion. Most Laramie people are Christians and adhere to the teachings of church. The religious leaders, such as the Catholic priest, are very influential things they shape public opinion. Since Catholicism does not approve of homosexuality, people see Shepard as a person who does not heed to the religious teachings that they believe, thus they kill him. Another value in the play is morality. Most people in Laramie see any defiance from the social norms as immorality. The Laramie community expects people to marry partners of opposite sex. Therefore, when Shepard challenges the norms, he is seen as immoral. Question 3. While reading the play, I realized the use of stars throughout the play. Upon more research, I have discovered that the stars symbolized various aspects of Laramie that the community can always look up to during tragedy. They are a source of solace and comfort to the community and reminds them of the need to redeem themselves whenever the community is being led astray. Question 4. Laramie is depicted as an intolerant town where people are not ready to live with others who they feel as defiant. Yes, there is a difference between tolerance and acceptance in Laramie. Some people, like Marge Murray, insist that Laramie is a tolerant, noting that the town is live and let live. They insist that Shepard's case is just one and does not imply that Laramie is intolerant. However, despite this, the overwhelming homophobia among the town dwellers reveals that while they may be tolerant, they have not accepted homosexuals as part of them. Upon watching the play, the audience is expected to think that the Laramie people are too religious, that any practices that do not adhere to the religion's teachings are seen punished severely. Apparently, no, Columbus is more tolerant and welcoming to the homosexuals. For question number 5, I summarize 3 points. First, in the Laramie project, there are multitude of scenes that spread over for a long time, sometimes even beyond the 1 year. This helps in revealing various lines of actions in the play. Second, in addition, the settings of actions are kept constant and do not keep changing as they do in Intimate Apparel. This choice maintains the story flow and continuity. Third, as opposed to the Intimate Apparel, Laramie Project is basically an ensemble of several interviews based on a real event. These interviews make up the play's episodical structure. Finally, I have two questions. The first is, was race a factor in the murder of Matthew Shepard? And second, what is the significance of the play in today's fight for LGBT rights?